Hello everyone. Today I will be talking to you about cranberries, the nutrition of it, health benefits, and some ideas how you can consume it. First of all, let me show you what cranberries looks like. This is what cranberries look like. They grow in swamps. They're about that big. I just took them out of the freezer. And cranberries, they're very rich in antioxidants. They're high in vitamin C. They have some iron, fiber, and some glucose in it. Glucose is a sugar. And some health benefit of cranberries. It's very great for people with high cholesterol because it helps to lower the cholesterol, and it helps healing the urinary tract infection. And also the bitterness of cranberries, it helps to detox the liver, and when you consume it, it's best that you don't add any sugar to it, because otherwise the detoxing of the liver will take a little longer. So the bitterness, it's really good for the liver. It helps to detox and cleanse the liver. It helps to heal the liver, and it helps the liver to stay healthy. And the vitamin C helps smokers to stop smoking. And the reason for that is when people smoke, the smoking destroys their vitamin C that they have inside. And because their vitamin C is depleted, it causes them to have cravings for smoking. And that's why that they are prone to catch colds and get sick all the time. So if smokers wish to stop smoking or helps with the craving, they just need to increase their vitamin C, to take it in naturally in fruits and vegetables, and cranberries is really awesome for that. And it also helps to fight the disease, and helps to it helps to prevent getting sick. And the vitamin C also, it helps to boost the immune system. And cranberries is really great for the heart and the immune system. It's great to help with the stress, diabetes, fatigues, gallstones, gum disease, hay fever, heart disease, hemorrhoids, immune weaknesses, infertility, memory loss, and sinuses. And it's good for many other things too. And some ways that you can consume berries is you can juice it. You can add about a cup of cranberries in a mixer, and add 1 to 3 or 4 cups of water, depending how thick you want. If you want like more like a smoothie, you want it thicker. If you want it more like a juice or more liquid, you add more water. And if you want, and that is very great for cleansing your liver. So when you make your cranberry juice, don't add any sugar in it, because it will really help your liver to detox faster. Because the more bitterness that you can eat or drink from natural food, it's better for your liver. Your liver, it will help to detox and cleanse your liver. And you can also make homemade popsicle with the fresh cranberry juice that you make. It's very delicious, especially during the hot summer days. And you can also add cranberries on your oatmeal in the morning or your breakfast. You can make sauce, cold or hot, or homemade jelly. And I made something here, a nice sauce, nice red sauce. It's really awesome for Valentine anyways. And there's different ways you can make sauce or jello, and I'll teach that later on. You can also make cookies, cranberries cookies, low on sugar. So anyway, that's about it. And I also made some kind of a cake muffin And what I like to do, I like to put sauce, see, like this sauce, beautiful sauce, on my cake or muffin, and it makes a really beautiful dessert. I just want to show you. And thank you very much for watching, everyone. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate. You can ask in the description below, and I will do my best to answer your question. Look down below, and you will find some information that you might find suitable for you. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and wishing everyone bright blessings.